In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Meta Business Suite if your Meta Business Suite is showing in the wrong language, or you simply want to switch to a language that's easier for you to work with. The good news is that the process is very quick. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click so you can update the language tied to your account. To get started, make sure you're already signed in to Meta Business Suite and you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your business tools. From that sidebar, click on Settings. This will open the area where account and business preferences are managed. After the settings page loads, look for Language Settings. Go ahead and click that option. This section controls the language preferences connected to your account experience, and it's the place you need in order to make the change. Next, you'll be taken to the language-related settings page. Here, click on Account Language. This is the option that lets you choose which language Facebook and connected Meta interfaces use when displaying menus, buttons, and other account elements. If you were expecting the language change to happen directly inside Business Suite, it's completely normal to be redirected into the broader account language settings, since that preference is often linked to your overall Meta or Facebook account. Once you click Account Language, you'll see the available language choices. At this point, simply choose the language you want to use. Take a moment to select carefully, especially if you're switching to a language you're still learning, since the interface will update accordingly and the menu labels may look different afterward. After selecting your preferred language, the settings should apply to your account experience. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or reopening Meta Business Suite. In some cases, it may take a moment for the updated language to appear across all sections. And that's all it takes to change the language in Meta Business Suite. Just open Settings from the left sidebar, go to Language Settings, click Account Language, and choose the language you want. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make navigating your business tools much more comfortable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.